Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, let A and B belongs to the set of real numbers and f is a real valued function from R to R defined as fx is equals to a cos of modulus x cube minus x plus b modulus x sine of modulus x cube plus x. And we have to show that fx is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Now, since your function is very complex, first of all we can write our function fx as a. We can take this as first function and this as another function, that is px plus b gx. Now, first of all define px and gx separately. Px is equals to cos of modulus x cube minus x. If we are going to define this function, we are getting when x is greater than equals to 0, when x is positive. So, x cube minus x, it will give you cos of x cube minus x. But when x is negative, your cos of this will become minus of x cube minus x, and this will be equals to cos of minus x cube plus x. And if we can take, since there is a modulus, so we can take minus sign out, and cos of minus theta x cube modulus of x cube minus x, or we can write it as cos of x cube minus x only, since this minus can be taken out. So, it will again give you cos of x cube minus x. So, basically ये जो आपका मॉड्यूलस दिया हुआ है, मॉड्यूलस के अंदर जो भी क्वांटिटी है that is always positive here. So, your function is an even function. Now, we can also check our gx function. Now, gx function is modulus of x sine of modulus x cube minus plus x. Now, this will give you, this can be defined as when x is positive, तो आपका ये सारे x पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, सो इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू साइन ऑफ x क्यूब माइनस x प्लस x. एंड व्हेन x इज नेगेटिव, जब आपका x नेगेटिव होगा तो आपका कैसा बिहेव करेगा दिस फंक्शन, माइनस x साइन ऑफ मॉड्यूलस के अंदर माइनस x का क्यूब विल गिव यू माइनस ऑफ x क्यूब एंड x माइनस x. When x is negative, this will be like this. और अगर आप इसके अंदर से माइनस बाहर लेते हैं तो साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा, मॉड्यूलस अगर आप हटा देंगे then साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा will become माइनस ऑफ साइन थीटा, और माइनस will give you positive sign. So it will also be equals to this only plus. So this is also equals to x cube plus x only. So here you can observe that cos आपका px फंक्शन भी में भी आप मॉड्यूलस वो कर सकते हैं, और gx में भी आप मॉड्यूलस साइन को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग द सेम फंक्शन to the right of 0 and to the left of for negative numbers also. So your fx will become a cos x cube minus x plus b x sin x cube plus x. Now, before checking this function for differentiability and continuity, we have to just have a knowledge of algebra of continuity and algebra of differentiability. And the algebra of differentiability says कि अगर आपके दो फंक्शंस आपका ये देखो ये कैसा फंक्शन है, एक पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है और फिर उसके ऊपर कंपोजिट किया हुआ है कॉस को. कॉस इज अ कंपोजिट फंक्शन ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. सो कंपोजिट फंक्शन, अगर आपके दो फंक्शंस, अलजेब्रा सेज दैट इफ fx and gx are differentiable functions, that must implies कि उनका sum composition will also is also differentiable function. तो अब आप देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, अब पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है एंड cos of a polynomial function is a composite function of two differentiable functions. Similarly, x is a polynomial function and this is also a polynomial function, and the sign of a polynomial function is a composition. So composite function will also be differentiable and the product of two differentiable function will also be a differentiable function. So since polynomial functions cos x and sin x are differentiable and continuous everywhere, that must implies that your fx is also differentiable and continuous everywhere.